Hello everyone, welcome to Math Camp Solve Box. Would you believe that many students lose marks on this question even though they know maths? In the next few minutes, I will show you a simple method to find the area and perimeter of this composite shape and avoid a very common mistake in exam. Let's look at this exam style question. We have a shape made up from a triangle. This triangle is isosceles right angle triangle and a semicircle with diameter AB. We have to calculate area and perimeter of this shape. Let's solve this challenge question step by step. First, let's split this shape into two geometric shapes, the semicircle and right angle triangle. First, we will calculate the area of triangle. The area of triangle is half AB sine of C. This is the formula from the trigonometry. But here the angle is exactly 90 degree. So we can use half into base into height formula. This one. So here base is 14 and height is 14 centimeter. If any student they want to use this formula half into A into B into sine C, that will give the same answer because here the angle is 90 degree and sine of 90 degree is 1. So if we substitute 1 here, then we get half A times B, which is same. Area half into base into height. Now for this triangle, we can use half into base into height to calculate the area. What about this part? This is the semicircle. This is the diameter, which is 14 centimeter. And this half is the radius, which is 7 centimeter. We have no formula for semicircle, but we have formula for the circle. But we need here semicircle. Can we calculate area of this semicircle? Yes. If we divide the whole area of circle with 2, we can get semicircle area. So total area is area of triangle plus area of semicircle. So area of triangle is half into base into height. This was given in the question 14. So the area of triangle is 98 centimeter square and area of semicircle is half times pi times radius, where radius is 7. So this is the area for semicircle only. So total area for the given composite shape is area of triangle plus area of semicircle, which is 98 plus 76.97, and final area is 175 centimeter square, and this is up to 3 significant figures. In the part B, we have to calculate the perimeter shape. Calculate the perimeter, we need this distance, which is 14 centimeter. We need this distance, which is unknown, and we need this arc length. So in this figure, only 14 centimeter is known, but the side AC and the arc AB distance is unknown. We have to calculate these two. Since this is a right angle triangle, so this will help us to find the missing hypotenuse. To calculate this sloping side, which is the missing side, we will use 14 centimeter and we will use this side. Here, these are shorter sides. We need to calculate hypotenuse. So two sides are given and this is perfect right angle triangle. We can easily use the Pythagoras theorem. So side AC, which is the hypotenuse, is given by 14 square plus 14 square. And after the calculation, the side AC is 19.80 centimeter. The next step is to find the outer arc length. Let's find this curved, calculate the length of semicircle. This is semicircle. We need only this length. How we can do this? We'll use circumference. The circumference for semicircle is unknown. The circumference for full circle is given by 2 pi r. Is the radius of full circle. So finally, the circumference of full circle is pi times 2r divided by 2. Why divided by 2? Because this formula is for full circle. We need only this part, which is half of the full circle. And the final total perimeter of this composite shape is 14 centimeter plus calculated hypotenuse plus this arc, which is 21.99 centimeter. So after adding all three parts, arc length, bottom base and hypotenuse, we get 55.8 centimeter. And the final result is total area is 175 centimeter square and perimeter is 55.8 centimeter. And remember one thing, the area units are always in square and perimeter is a length, so perimeter is in centimeter, not the square. To remember about area and perimeter is area is everything inside the shape, and perimeter is everything around